Hi, Jonathan York from Bay Financial Partners, looking at the investment markets. As expected, the Reserve Bank increased the OCR this morning by a quarter point. No real surprises there. But what was a little bit surprising was the accompanying sort of statement that came with it. Most sort of analysts and economists seem to think that rates would sort of level out around sort of 2016, and the sort of peak for the OCR will be around sort of 4.7, 4.8. With the statement that came out this morning, that now looks like it's going to be pushed out to around 2017, and it looks like it's going to be just a tad over sort of 5% as the peak now for the OCR. So that's just going to extend it by around sort of 6 to 9 months maybe, and possibly about sort of half a point higher than most sort of economists predicted initially. So obviously that has some pretty major implications out there for the fixed interest portfolios. Certainly bonds out there have been purchased over the last sort of 2 to 3 years on the secondary market. We really need to have a pretty good review of those, and of course on 0800 867 323, or go to the website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz and sort of contact us to get that fixed interest portfolio reviewed. Obviously on the back of the rate increase, it'll be interesting to see how the New Zealand currency performs as well. Certainly it's been reasonably strong, and maybe an opportunity out there to look at some of these offshore shares now purchased in New Zealand dollars might offer some reasonably attractive returns over the next sort of 2 to 3 years. Sky bond offer still in the marketplace. It's just about been exhausted now. If you've got any applications out there, you need to get them in pretty quick. Elsewhere, market's still trading reasonably well. Equities sort of putting in new highs almost on a daily basis. We suspect the market will probably pause for a little bit of breath now, especially with this interest rate hike, and say sort of signaling the start of the interest rate increasing cycle. So contact details can be found on our website www.bayfinancialpartners.co.nz. Lots of interesting articles. We look forward to speaking to you soon.